Today I'm making chocolate cookies. I'm making sprinkle cookies.
We are making our favorite cookies, guys. I thought the best way for us to make these cookies and for you guys to also make them at home would be for us to do Kaeli's cookies first and then Gael's cookies. So with that being said, let's make the best chocolate chip cookies. Are you ready to show them our secret recipe?
Yes.
Let's do it. This is the yummiest chocolate chip cookies we are going to make. First, you want to add your flour.
Okay, this is our flour.
Yeah, we're gonna add our flour in here, our cornstarch.
I'm going, no.
All of it, all of it.
A baking powder. Salt.
Our salt.
Or salt.
We're gonna mix it all around.
Yeah, me too.
And you wanna...
I want to...
You wanna mix all your dry ingredients together. Mix, mix, mix. Help me mix it. Uh-oh.
I put sugar on my arm and my pocket and on my nails.
Uh-oh. We clean up our accident. And now we keep going. We mix all of our ingredients.
And how about this?
Well, first you need to mix this right here.
Right.
Mix, mix, mix.
Mixing, mixing, mixing. Mixing, mixing.
Got it?
Everything, I think it's done.
Good.
Now let's pour this in.
We put this to the side and now we get into our wet ingredients. In here we're throwing our brown sugar.
It looks like sand.
Our cane sugar.
I'm going, that's too many.
Whoa, whoa.
Should we squish it?
Yeah, you can squish it. Room temperature. Make sure your butter is really nice and room temperature to the point where you can squeeze it around and squeeze it out.
There, mine is good. I win.
And now we're gonna whisk this for 2 minutes on low speed with our paddle.
And I get it straight.
And we wait 2 minutes. Ding dong, ding dong. Are you gonna eat all the chocolate chips in those 2 minutes? Uh-oh. I say we put this to the side. After 1 minute, you want to stop your mixer and just scrape the sides. Make sure all the butter's nice in here. And then we mix it for our 2nd minute.
For
Tape? What is that for?
check.
I don't think we need tape for cookies.
Juice.
You want a juice?
Yeah.
Juice break.
Look at, they're all families.
They are families. Okay, now we're gonna add, do you think you are capable of cracking an egg in there?
Yeah, let's crack it.
Okay, do we trust her, guys? Let's see. Well, do you want to throw in our egg yolk?
No, I want to do my egg yolk and then crack it.
1 egg yolk.
No.
And 1 entire egg. Kaeli has been practicing cracking her egg, so let's see. You got it? Crack it hard, remember? Fuerte, fuerte. Good. Open it. You did it, girl.
Crack it.
And we're also gonna add our vanilla.
No, I want extra vanilla. Wait, what is this called? It looks like coffee. Oh. Should I see?
Got it?
Should I see? Whoa.
Okay, I think we're doing great, right? And we give this another 1 minute whisk. Now we're gonna add all of our dry ingredients that you already mixed. Remember these?
Yeah, babygirls, yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna add them all inside of here.
Yeah, it will be so cool. It will make my slime.
Yeah, it's gonna mix amazing. So let's throw it all in here.
Yeah.
In here, Mama.
Okay, but I can't do it.
I can help you. I try to add this protector, but we might actually not need it. So let's just throw this in here on slow speed. Ready?
Should I see? Okay. Should I see? It's hurting my slime.
Oh yeah. It's already smelling like chocolate chip cookies, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Mix it for another 2 minutes on medium to low speed. What are we gonna add?
Chocolate cookie.
Now we're gonna add the chocolate chips. How much should we add? I think you could do it.
Okay.
Let's see how much you wanna add in
I'm
here.
way forward.
Whoa, whoa. I think a good amount, right?
She moved that.
Throw them in there. Throw them in there.
You should put more.
More?
Yeah.
Chocolate chips. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What do you think?
Should I eat them?
Maybe one. We are gonna put on some gloves because now we're gonna roll our cookies out.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I should order you like the small gloves, right? Okay, and she wants to make sure that every little finger is in every little hole. So here goes the next 10 minutes. One glove in. Do you want two or one?
2.
10 hours later.
10 hours later, our gloves are in.
Wait, should I touch you?
Sure. High five. Okay, now guys, this is the consistency that you want. We are going to roll these out into pretty big chunky cookies, which I love doing these with her because you don't really have to like roll out, get any cookie cutters. They are very free-handed, which we love. And these do go in the fridge for about an hour or 2 hours for them to chill before we pop them in the oven. Hence why we're going to put them in our plate. So here is our batter, and now we make some balls. Grab some. How was your day today at school?
Good.
Yeah.
Mommy has fun school.
You had fun at school today?
Yeah.
One cookie.
And mine is good.
That is perfect.
Should I eat them?
No, they're raw. Maybe after, right?
Maybe after. Look at mine. So we are making ball cookies because it looks like Play-Doh.
It does look like Play-Doh. What is your favorite toy to play with right now?
Play-Doh because I have Play-Doh in my class.
Play-Doh and slime is your favorite, right?
Yeah, Play-Doh and slime is my favorite. And makeup.
And makeup,
You
guys.
buy me makeup?
Sure. I like for these to be about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, so pretty big and
We have to get more.
yes. Depending on how much chocolate you guys love, which this girl loves chocolate, we can also put some right on top of the cookie. That way the chocolate melts as soon as it goes in the oven. Kaeli and Alex, Daddy loves chocolate chip cookies too,
Wait,
right?
wait, give me some.
Okay, okay.
Wait, give me some.
Did you just mock yourself?
Excuse me, I burp on the video.
Daddy burps loud, but sometimes we burp a little bit too, right?
Yeah.
Do you think this is a lot of chocolate?
Yeah.
Her birthday party was actually chocolate and bubblegum, so if you know Kaeli, you know.
So my business is going to be Hello Kitty.
Oh yeah, this year she's already asking for Hello Kitty. We'll see if in the next 6 months to her party,
okay with
she still
these.
wants that. But how's this looking, guys? And this will make about 12 to 15 cookies, so perfect for a little family in. So easy for you to make with your 3-year-old. These look great, girl. Oh my God, this is a huge cookie. That's okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to saran wrap these, pop them in the fridge for 2 hours, but thankfully, Mommy has magic. So, ta-da! I pre-made a batch that has been in the fridge for a couple of hours, so these are perfect and ready for us to pop in the oven. We have our cookie sheet.
I cook the sheet.
Can you help me put them in here?
Sure.
Okay, this one.
I have a lot of time.
And these are going in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then we get to do the taste test.
Mom, how about we should watch movie then we wait for them?
That sounds like a good, was that your tummy? That sounds like a good idea. Okay, let's put these in the oven, and then we'll be back for the best, yummiest chocolate chip cookies. Just quickly interrupting to thank SeatGeek for sponsoring this video. Guys, I have been on the lookout for Olivia Dean tickets, and I found a really good deal on SeatGeek. It's where I grab my tickets to any event, any concert that's coming up. Plus, the US is hosting the World Cup this year, so go grab your tickets. They have over 70,000 events and also over 35 million downloads, which is why it's rated the #1 ticketing app. Bruno Mars, Ariana Grande, Morgan Wallen, and so many others are on tour right now. So if you've been on the lookout for tickets, use my code Let's Do Makeup 10 to get 10% off your tickets at SeatGeek. And don't worry, they make finding the best deals so easy. They rate the tickets for us from 1 to 10 and also color code them. Green dot means you're getting a good deal, and the red dot means it's not the best deal. Make sure you click the link down below and download the app and have my code automatically added if you want to use it later. Again, that's code Let's Do Makeup 10 for 10% off your tickets at SeatGeek, so click the link down below. Now, the real yummy cookies. Me and Gael actually both prefer sprinkle cookies, and Kaeli and Dad, for some reason, they like chocolate so much. But these are your favorite. We're gonna mix all of our dry ingredients. We have in here
Flour.
flour.
Whoa, that looks like sand.
All of it.
Next, our sugar. Now our baking powder. Mixing it all together.
All of our dry ingredients.
Wow.
Whisk it really good. Remember when we did the last video we did, was it the Christmas cookies? Or the Christmas cupcakes, remember?
Cool.
Long time ago.
And when I was 4.
We'll start right here. Should we put eyeballs on this one? Whoa. We made the Christmas cupcakes, and guys, whoa, that's a big mix. I did not understand so much, so now you're like a whole grown boy. Just a lot more helpful, right?
Yeah.
Okay, give me the mixer, or here. In here,
We're gonna add the egg.
into the mixer.
Okay, crack it and put it in here.
Yeah, which Gael is a pro at this actually. Show them what you got. Oh, yeah.
Next, butter is melted.
Our room temperature butter. You need to make sure it is nice and room temperature, that way we can just throw it in here.
Wow.
Guys, we had a little accident. We threw our cane sugar in here, and that was supposed to go with the butter. Whose fault was that? Which is not a big deal. As a professional, I will save us, and these will.
Bro, what did you skip?
We just didn't add the sugar, but it's not a big deal.
What sugar?
This one. So we're gonna add it now. We're gonna add 1, 2, 3/4 of sugar with our butter on low speed for 1 minute.
What, one on one?
Yes.
There?
Yep. Easy peasy. Gael is actually really hands-on when I'm doing cakes or with Dad in the kitchen. So he's like way more aware of
Mom, I don't think that looks like it.
of safety precautions. Yeah, you need to let this mix. What happens if you put your finger in there?
It will hit you back.
Yeah, that's not allowed in the kitchen, guys. So we have our flour, our salt, and our baking soda now. No sugar. And now we're gonna mix all that up.
Why are you using Daddy's thing?
Well, this is for baking, so you can use it for pancakes, baking, everything.
Can I mix it now? I think it's good.
Okay. And before we add our dry ingredients on here, we're gonna
But
we're gonna add our vanilla to the mix. Okay, now we're throwing all of our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients.
all of it.
All of it. And mix it on speed 2 for 1 more minute.
Speed.
Your favorite part,
Hey.
throwing in some sprinkles. Do I trust you to put a good amount?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open the big boy lid for you. Some good amount of sprinkles. I think I trust you to open the big boy one. There you go. Stick. I feel like it came out so much better without the stick. Okay, that is a lot of sprinkles. A lot come out.
Well, I think that's enough. Or more.
It's up to you. I trust you.
That's enough.
That's a good amount of sprinkle.
Whoa, it looks like cotton candy.
And you just let these mix for another 30 seconds. And now the fun part, which is making the little balls of our favorite
I need gloves.
sprinkle cookies. Here, I'm gonna give you some. You want black or pink?
Black. Is it good?
More, not mittens, gloves. Gael requested.
Mom, Try it. It's actually good.
Exhibits. We have the pink gloves for the girly pops and the black ones for the boys. You actually don't need gloves for these, but the kids love being hands-on. So if you are doing these with your kiddos, pop on some gloves or even just wash your hands and make some little balls. Ready?
How hard is this?
These also go in the fridge for at least 2 hours. So we're gonna roll some up. These are a little bit smaller than our...
This much?
Mm-hmm. If your kids love sprinkles like we do, you wanna add some sprinkles to the plate.
Like this?
Dip your cookie, yep, you know, and then put it on the plate. Sprinkles side up, just like that.
But it's not a ball.
That's fine, it's gonna become a cookie. And these do not have to be a perfect ball, so we like to add extra sprinkles on some and leave some as are. Nice. But Gael loves, why do you love sprinkles so much, do you think? What is your absolute favorite cake flavor?
Vanilla and strawberry?
Vanilla is his favorite.
And strawberry.
And strawberry, yeah. So I think that's why he loves the sprinkles ones, because they have a vanilla flavor to them, and then the sprinkles are just so cute. Okay, we're gonna pop these in the fridge for 2 hours. If you snap your fingers, there will be magic. And they are ready for us to pop in the oven. Okay, now we're gonna put these in our cookie sheet. Now these are going in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, and then our cookies shall be ready for us to taste test. Cookies are ready. Mommy needs to go. So, don't eat the cookies while Mommy's back.
Don't eat the cookie. Let's eat them. Yeah. Come on. This pizza. I'll pick this one. Why? I'll take a video for that.
Okay, I don't think they ate any, so you guys can now grab a cookie that you each made. Grab your cookie.
Okay, I'm going to grab this one. Oh, Bob, they correct me.
Let us know what you guys think.
Good. Good. But they're gonna eat all of it.
All of them? What do you guys rate them?
Good. 10 out of 10. I'll rate 100 out of 100. I'll rate it out of 10.
Damn, girl, you're going in. Okay, babe, you tried the chocolate chip and I tried the sprinkles. Alex is a chocolate chip cookie connoisseur.
That's good.
Let's see. The cup of milk.
I can't eat a chocolate chip cookie without milk.
Can I do it with milk too?
It's getting serious over here.
Can I eat it with milk too?
Very serious.
Mom, can I eat it with milk too?
Sure.
Dad, here with my cookie.
This is for me, baby? Oh my.
Cheers.
Lord. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Okay, let's see.
Whoa!
Like this. When you bite.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
These are squishy.
Yeah.
You guys did a really good job.
Yeah, let's eat them.
Okay, you guys,
This is perfect.
you love it?
Literally perfect.
Your daughter made them, right, girl?
You made these, baby?
Yep.
With your hands? That's why they taste so good. I knew it.
Thank you for watching. See you later. Thank you for watching. See you later because it's nighttime.